Yeah, hi. In this session, we will try to understand how ArrayList works internally. I've declared a variable list of type ArrayList with a generic type string. Now, what happens when we create an ArrayList object? Does it allocate memory for any data structure? What is the data structure that it is using internally? So to understand that, let's see how the ArrayList constructor looks like. So if you see, it says this element data is equal to default empty element data, which in turn says that it does not have, or it is not creating any memory space or allocating any memory space for this particular object. What happens if we try to add a particular object A1 in the array list? Let's go to the add method. You see, the add method tries to ensure capacity internal size plus 1. Currently, the size of your array list is 0 as we have not added anything in the array list. So when this particular method is internally called, it checks whether the element data, that is nothing but the length of the array, is 0, which is default capacity empty element data. If it is 0, it will go inside and it will allocate the minimum capacity as the max of default capacity or minimum capacity. We did not give any minimum capacity, so by default it will take the default capacity, which is nothing but the length of the array will be 10. So your array list internally uses array whose default capacity is 10, which is allocated when you're trying to insert the first element in array list. Thank you.